My customer called me to replace her furnace in Sunnyvale. I checked the unit and then she asked me if we can add air conditioner. So for right now, she is going to do the furnace and the evaporator. That's the indoor coil. It's located next to the furnace. In the future, we will add the outer unit, the condenser. We will run the line set, the electrical, but for right now, we did the furnace and the evaporator. I will show you right now the equipment. My customer from Sunnyvale called me to replace her furnace, and she was thinking to add air conditioner too. So for right now, we add a furnace, the evaporator, the part of the air conditioner. So in the future, we can run the line set and the condenser unit outside, and then they will have a air conditioning. So for right now, this unit has only furnace and the evaporator. I did the new flue pipe, goes on top of the roof, and the customer is doing remodelation. So she asked me to check about the registers, and these are the old ones. There's a lot of leaks. This for efficiency, so the customer to have a comfort, we had to seal. So I'm going to clean it up and seal to make nice. She has in this unit 6 registers, so all of them are the same. So I will clean it up. I will seal these gaps so they can have nice registers and the air will not lose. There's a lot of dirt. I will vacuum and clean. There's another one here. Same thing. Actually, it's dirty. And the last one, it's right here. So I'm going to try to fix the sheet metal over here. I'm going to use the foil tape and then the duct seal, water-based duct seal, so will not leak the air. If you need a service or you need help to service your unit, to repair, to replace, to improve the airflow, you can call me at my cell phone 650-333-5145. Thank you. After I clean the register, I add foil. After this, I will add duct seal. The register for the furnace and air conditioner. First I clean it. After that, I add foil tape, and then I add a duct seal, so now there's no leaks. My customer had 6 supplies, so I take care of all of them.